It's St. Patrick's Day, y'all, and it is storming here. But we're not gonna let a thunderstorm stop us from celebrating St. Patrick's Day. Today, I'm going to show you how to make traditional Irish potato pancakes. It's actually called Boxty. I may be saying that wrong. B-O-X-T-Y, not sure. With some homemade vegan plant-based goat cheese, some salsa, my sour cream. You could top it with anything. I will say that they are better after they've chilled in the fridge a while. Let's begin, y'all. Why I show that? Anyway, so what we're going to start with is a half a cup. How to make so be blessed. Here we go. Okay. To begin with, you're just going to take a cup of flour. This is a white whole wheat flour. You can totally use a regular flour if you want to. And this, we're going to take 1 teaspoon of salt. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So kind of help let it rise a little bit. 1, 2. And then you're just going to mix that up, whisk it. Then I have here 1 cup of mashed potatoes. It's not been seasoned like you would normally eat mashed potatoes. It's literally just a potato I have boiled in salt water and then just mashed. There's been nothing else added to it. So we're going to add that. Of course, you can use Idaho Gold, yellow potatoes. And then this is 1 cup of just your unflavored, unsweetened plant milk. And then we're just going to whisk this up until you get it as smooth as you can. And yes, this time you don't have to worry about over mixing. I feel like every recipe, I'm always saying, don't over mix. This one you don't have to. Ooh. Laying it all over my kitchen. Good grief. As you can see, it kind of already looks like potato. I mean, but not potato. It looks like a pancake mix. So that's pretty smooth. It's really thick. Whatever. And then I have here a cup and a half of just shredded potatoes. I literally just took potatoes that I peeled and put them in my food processor. Now we're going to mix this up. Kind of fold those in. And then you're going to let it sit for 5 minutes, kind of like you do regular pancakes. It's going to let it sit, and all those flavors are going to get happy, and it's going to thicken some more and different things like that. So mix it up and let it rest for 5 minutes. So see y'all soon. Okay, so you can do this on a griddle or on a skillet. You can add a little water to help prevent it from sticking if you want to. So I have this skillet pretty warm, and I'm going to use my cookie scoop just because it's easier. You don't have to. Just going to scoop some of it out. And then you're going to kind of spread it out a little bit. Just like you would kind of a thicker pancake. And it's going to cook a lot like a pancake. You're going to see it kind of dry and bubble up about 4 minutes, and then you're going to flip it over and cook it another 4 minutes. So see y'all soon. So after about 4 minutes, this is what it looks like. See how it's dry and the bubbles have popped just like a pancake. You're just going to flip it and cook it another 4 minutes. So, see y'all in 4. See how beautiful? So there you have it. It's super, super easy. They kind of look like pancakes. If you open them, you can see the potatoes and the yumminess. You could top this with some mushrooms. Sorry, they're really good. Some chili, some vegan cheese, anything like that. They're just delicious by themselves. That's it. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and be blessed, y'all.